Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to turn off age restriction on YouTube using your Android phone. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to YouTube app, then click Profile, click Settings, click General, scroll down, then you will see here Restricted Mode. Tap on this one to turn off. Another way is to go to Gmail, click your profile, then click Manage your account. So beside Home, click Personal Info. So you will see here your birthday. Click on this one. Then change your birthday, for example. Then after that, confirm your age. Then tap Done. And that's it. You may now view the restricted video. If I help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!